Honestly, it's been exceptionally refreshing just to be out of the office and to be engaging with different colleagues in this post-COVID environment.
Very happy that finally we have also the opportunity to see each other, to share experience, to learn from each other, to connect, because definitely there's a lot of opportunities to follow up in the context.
So we had some presentation from Schneider Electric about circularity and their business. I found that really insightful, how they develop sustainable business that is adding sales profit to Schneider Electric. That was really nice.
I presented today Airbus Scale, which is the new innovation unit of Airbus, totally focusing on company building. We have a large experience on innovation and did a lot of things in the last years, and then discovers that company building, venture building in a heavy R&D industry as we are is especially interesting and also value proven. Coming here today is especially exciting because I'm meeting a lot of like-minded people, different industries, having a lot of interesting talks.
Sometimes you struggle with an idea that you've had in your mind, or you workshop together internally within your team. You don't have a consensus idea, but you broach it with another party that brings in a very fresh kind of perspective and allows you to zoom out a little bit and look at the problem from a very macro perspective. To hear an insight from someone that works in transportation or ferries or from healthcare or from engineering and logistics, and all of these insights kind of just, I really feel like I grew a little bit today.
Joining the roundtables on topics that matter, how to work with startups, how to do company building, how to invest, what is the best innovation vehicle to drive innovation. And these are exactly the right people you need to speak to and you need to come.